Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Get Fit Mama with Harman. So today I have a question for you all. If you knew that there is this kind of exercise that you do which helps improve your heart, improves your posture, strengthen your bones, improves your balance, and at the same time helps you lose weight, wouldn't you want to do it? तो ये वर्कआउट के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ सिर्फ डम्बल्स. तो यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि लोग एसोसिएट करते हैं स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग को, वेट ट्रेनिंग को सिर्फ जिम के साथ. आई नो इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग की बात करेंगे तो आपके दिमाग में सिर्फ जिम का पिक्चर आएगा, विच इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली ट्रू बिकॉज यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ इट एट होम. आई माई सेल्फ लॉस्ट अराउंड 16-17 kgs at home itself, and I have these really basic dumbbells and a basic little bit of equipment at home. So all you need is a pair of dumbbells. पहले शुरू करते हैं आज का वर्कआउट. मैं आपको बताती हूँ हम आज क्या कर रहे हैं. So today we are going to be doing shoulders and chest. And the reason why it is important that you start off working out with your upper body is, even if you've never worked out in your life, is the fact that a lot of people, majority of people would have much more strength in their upper body as compared to their lower body. The reason being, there's a lot of lifting and a lot of using of your upper body muscles while cooking or cleaning or lifting your child. You know, there's a lot that you do with your upper body as compared to the exercise part that you do with the lower body. So it's very safe. There's less risk of injury, so which is why I'm going to be taking up shoulders and chest today. Now, very important point to note is whenever you start doing strength training, it is very important that you do a proper warm-up and cool-down routine. In the coming episodes, I would just do a separate video and explain how a warm-up should look like and what exercises you can pick up and do a warm-up and what exercises you can do for a cool-down. So the first exercise that we're going to do is shoulder press, the dumbbell shoulder press. It's a very favorite exercise of mine right from the start. But in this particular exercise, I really want you to warn you rather, please pick up very light weights to begin with, because there's a high risk of injury. And if your form gets sloppier because of the excess of weight, hold the dumbbells by your shoulders with your palms facing forward and your elbows to the sides and bent at a 90-degree angle. Without leaning back, extend your elbows to press the weights over your head. Then slowly return to the starting position. You could do 12 to 15 reps and 3 sets of this. The next exercise that we're going to do is the side lateral raises. This exercise primarily targets the deltoid muscles. Stand tall, a dumbbell in each hand, arms are at your sides, palm facing in, position your feet roughly hip distance apart. Check your posture, roll your shoulders back, engage your core and look straight ahead. Raise your arms simultaneously, just a couple of inches out to each side and pose. Lift the dumbbells up and out to each side, keeping your arms almost completely straight, stopping when your elbow reaches shoulder height and your body is forming a T shape. Breathe in as you lift. Pause and hold for a second at the top of the movement. Lower the weights slowly. Bringing your arms back to your sides, breathe out as you lower the dumbbells. You could do 15 reps of this and 3 sets. So the next exercise that we're going to do is dumbbell front raises. It's a fundamental exercise in weight training which is very good for beginning trainers. Stand with feet about shoulder width apart. Keep the back straight and feet planted flat on the floor. Your arms holding weights should hang down. Hold the dumbbells across the thighs horizontally, palms facing back towards the thigh. Ensure that you have a firm grip. Raise the abdominal muscles. Lift the weights upward, inhaling, with arms out in front and palms facing down. Keep a slight bend in the elbow to reduce the stress on the joints. Pause when the arms are approximately horizontal to the floor and feel the contraction in the shoulders. Return the dumbbells to the starting positions at the thigh with a slow and controlled motion while exhaling. You could do 12 to 15 reps and 3 sets of this. So now the next exercise that we're going to do is the chest. We're going to train the chest now. We're going to do 3 exercises of the chest. Now because a lot of these exercises could be done on the bench, but since we are doing all this workout at home and a lot of you might not have the bench or may not have an appropriate place to do it, or a table or even a bed could be used, but I think to be on the safer side, we are going to do all the 3 chest exercises on the floor with a mat. So we're going to just lie down for this one. The first exercise we're doing is the chest press. Lie flat on your back or on a bench with your feet flat on the ground. With a dumbbell in each hand, extend your arm directly over your shoulders, palms facing down towards your feet. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and slowly bend your elbows, lowering the weights out to the side parallel with your shoulders until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Slowly drive the dumbbells back to the start, squeezing your shoulder blades the entire time. That is 1 rep. So you could do 8 to 12 reps and 3 sets of this. So the next exercise that we're doing is the chest fly, the chest dumbbell fly. For this again we're going to lie down on the floor. Start by lying on your back with your feet placed flat on the floor. Grab the dumbbells with your palms facing inwards. Push the dumbbells directly over your chest with lightly bent elbows, keeping your wrist straight. Inhale and slowly lower the dumbbells towards the floor at shoulder height, maintaining a soft roundness with your arms, like hugging a tree. Stop when your back or upper arms touch the mat. You could do 12 to 15 and 3 sets of this. So the next exercise and the last exercise that we're doing for the chest is the dumbbell close grip chest press. Again, we're going to lie down on the floor. This exercise also works your triceps, but we are particularly doing this for the chest. We're going to lie down on the bench or the floor. Hold a pair of dumbbells together just above your chest with your palms facing each other. Press the weights overhead, making sure you don't let them move too far apart. Then bring them down to your chest slowly. This makes 1 rep. You could do 12 to 15 reps again of this, 3 sets. So today we did chest and shoulder workout. It's a very simple basic one that you can do anywhere just with a pair of dumbbells. Consistently doing strength training is definitely going to increase muscle mass, but that will happen very gradually provided you do this regularly. When you age, you start to lose muscle mass. It is very important to strength train and protect the loss of lean muscle mass that happens due to aging. Thank you so much for watching Fitta. Be with us, and I will see you in the next episode, and we're going to do another body workout, strength training workout. Keep your dumbbells ready, stay home, stay safe, and keep watching Fitta.